Hey and welcome. Today we are going to solve a new beginner programming challenge in C language, which is write a C program to find ASCII value of a character. So first, what is ASCII code? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a character encoding system that is used for telecommunication. Every character has an ASCII value associated with it. Characters are stored in the memory using their ASCII values. So if you wish to know the ASCII value of any given character, we can write a program to find the ASCII value. So we start the program by including stdeo.h library. Then we store the character value. We demand to the user to enter a character. Then the machine will read the data entered. We use the function printf to show the result in the screen. And this is the program.